loves. All right, we are going to do some notes today talking about inequalities. I am on the field trip with the 11th graders to colleges. So very exciting stuff. Hoping you guys get to go on some college trips next year. But in the meantime, I hope you're having a great day with Ms. Wearies. And let's take a look at this. Today is definitely going to be a grade, so make sure to follow along. We're going to start with some notes. Make sure you're in this notes section, and I'm going to be showing you guys what notes we're taking today. So, an inequality is a math sentence that contains two expressions that might not be, now notice it's an inequality, so they might not be equal. And in an inequality, we might see the following symbols. These are some of the different symbols we might see. We might see one that says is less than, one that says is greater than. This one down here is less than or equal to. So notice I said it might not be equal. Might not be equal. So sometimes we are going to see that they will be equal. So keep that in mind. All right, and then our last one here is greater than or equal to. So when we see this little line underneath, it means they can always also be equal, or they can be less than or greater than. Remember, like you might have heard when you were in elementary school or middle school and like first learned this, that this is like a whale or an alligator, all right? And the whale or alligator or whatever kind of creature it is wants to eat whichever number is bigger, right? So whichever one it's facing is the bigger number. You know what? I think he's cuter without an eyeball. All right. Next up, an inequality is true if the symbol makes sense. So let's read each of these. This one says 5 is greater than 2. That statement would be true. However, this one says -5 is greater than -2. And if you think about our number line, right? If you think about our number line, if I had 0 here, I would have -2 here and -5 all the way down here. So this statement, -5 is greater than -2, is false. By the way, I know I'm going really fast. As always, Ms. Wearies, you can pause this video at any time. You can go back and there will be an exemplar on the next page. Okay, last but not least, it says a linear inequality is an inequality involving two variables. And we're going to remember something really special involving these variables we haven't talked about in a little while. That is that they come at a point x, y. So just like if you were telling someone how to go to your house, you needed to give them your address, which would involve your number and your street. We have an x and a y that tells you how to get to a point on an inequality. All right, these are the notes for today. I'll see you guys over at the example.